Salam and welcome back to another very exciting tutorial. My name is Visha and today I'm going to show you how to remove anything from a picture in just 3 minutes. Do make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, that would mean a lot to me. So with that said, let's begin. Alright, so I have this picture that I'm going to use. I'm going to leave the links in the description. I'm going to take lasso tool and zoom in here and make a selection out of one of these cookies. I'm going to go to select and mask and I'm going to feather it out a little bit so that I don't have to heal the edges later on. And yeah, play around with the shift edge and feather amount, press OK. And then I'm going to go to edit, content aware fill. And that is going to do a pretty good job of removing the cookie, but we're going to have to fix these parts. So press OK, right click, deselect, and then we're gonna take the clone tool and just zoom in here and press alt key, right click, and increase the brush size. And I'm gonna press alt key again. Make sure to keep this as current and below. Press alt key, click, just heal these parts just like that. Easy peasy. Now this is a separate layer, so if you think this is affecting the other one, what you can do is select this layer and just take the eraser tool, make sure it's soft, and just remove this part. And just repeat the process until you get a good result. Same way with this one. Let's go down here and make a selection. I'm selecting the background from here, making a selection by using the lasso tool. Same technique, go to select and mask, increase the feather amount, press OK, just go up here, edit, content aware fill, and just press OK, right click, select inverse. I think that did a pretty good job. Alright, that is it. Make sure to subscribe if you liked the tutorial. That would mean a lot. Help me get to 500 subscribers. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, salam.